Wow, it's really delicious. Hainanese Chicken Rice. Prepare 3 chicken thighs, lemongrass, ginger, garlic, and scallions. Turn the skin side down to render the chicken fat. Almost turned over. Add lemongrass and ginger. Fry both sides slightly. Add a circle of chicken juice. Add warm water after frying both sides. The water level should be about the same as the chicken. Cover the lid and simmer for about 10 minutes. At this time, we prepare ginger and scallions. Chop the scallions into pieces. And ginger puree. And beat them together. Add hot oil when ready. Add salt and monosodium glutamate. Stir. Turn off the heat when the chicken is cooked. Then pour the soup into the prepared rice. Use the chicken soup to cook rice. Put the citronella in. Cooking mode. After 30 minutes, the rice is done. Remove the bones from the chicken. And cut into pieces. Add ginger and scallions. It's very authentic. Hainanese Chicken Rice from Singapore. Please follow me. I'll update a Cantonese dish every day.